Glad exams were? Oh, this is a song we wrote especially for leavers. And we'd like a round of applause for all the teachers beforehand. So when we're ready. They won't go away now.
Miss Quinn to come down and say a few words. Now that is no way to treat a head teacher, thank you very much.
It's a long time since anybody knew that. Thank you very much. It just remains to me to say that everybody in school, all the teachers who are in the room, all the teachers who are doing their normal job in classrooms, want to wish you all the very, very best for the future. You've had a great morning. I'm assuming that we're all going to have a great evening as well. But thank you very much for coming in this morning. Thank you for the fantastic 5 years. And just one last word. Do make sure you keep in touch with us, and do make sure you come back and tell us how things are going. Every best wish for the future from everybody at Main Stars. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you. Just in time, Stephen. Can you come and set up straight away without even catching breath? Yes.
Okay, well, Stephen sets up just a bit of business for tonight and after this. If you ordered a yearbook, we will be giving them out at the end. It will be somewhere over there, and they're alphabetical. So we'll start with A, nearest the door, going this way. So please be patient, we will get them to you. For your prom, thank you.
This is that surname.
Surname, sorry, yes, I'm sorry, it is your surname, yes.
Good question.
For the prom tonight, now you must listen if you're going. The staff have been told this, and this applies to the staff as well. You will be given your prom ticket today. If you don't bring it, you can't get in. Right, there are bouncers on the door. They are going to look at your tickets. You must be there by 7 o'clock because we're being called in to sit down at 7:15. Obviously we need to take photos and everything else before then, and we'll do some more afterwards. There will be a drink for you when you arrive, and there are some nibbles there for you as well before we eat. Okay? I think that's all for
Okay, thank you. Can I just start? Thank you very much. Right, excuse me. Thank you. Can we just have your attention, please? Two things that I need to mention to you. Yesterday I had to make a number of phone calls about the prom to parents because we performed this at the concert last week, and I felt it was something